Let's stop it there. So how many do you have? Okay. So let's look at the formula. Look at it. Any question you see in break-even, somebody is talking by your side, beg the person. Any question you see under this topic in your exam, for you to know the right formula, you will ask yourself 2 questions. This topic is about formula. It's always a straightforward thing. The only problem will come if you don't know the right formula. So how do you now know the right formula? You ask yourself 2 questions. Question number 1 you ask yourself is this: am I expected to give the answer in units or in naira? It's either you want to give the answer in units or you want to give the answer in naira. That's the first question. The second question you ask yourself is this unit, is it to break even or to make profits? This naira, is it to break even or to make profits? When you read textbooks, you get up to 9-10 formulae. Yes, that is because for students to understand, we need to break it down, break the formula down, so that students can understand. But from experience, the more the formulae, the more students will always get tired of it. So what I've been able to do is to summarize all the formulae into 5. So when you know these 5, you know everything, and the 5 can be grouped into 2. So going by this, if you understand this, you can pick any question yourself you solve. So when next we meet, we can solve questions. So look at this. The first question I ask myself: am I to give the answer in units or to give the answer in naira? If I'm sure that in this question I'm to give the answer in units, then the second question I'll ask myself: this naira, is it to break even or to make profits? And if I'm sure to give the answer in naira, the naira, is it to break even or to make profits? With this, I will know the formula I'm expected to use. How do I know? Look at the word. That is because if you are to give your answer in units, the formula you are going to use, the denominator must be contribution margin. We have discussed contribution margin today. How do you calculate contribution margin? Selling price minus variable cost. So anytime you want to give the answer in units, you must divide by what? Contribution margin. Either it is units to break even or units to make profits. As far as it is units, you must divide by what? Contribution margin. So if you want to give the answer in naira, either it is naira to break even or naira to make profits, you divide by contribution margin ratio. We have discussed contribution margin ratio today. What is contribution margin ratio? Proportion of contribution in a given sales. And how do you calculate it? Contribution margin divided by selling price times. That's a good one. So if I want to give the answer in units, the denominator will be what? CL. If I want to give the answer in naira, it will be what? CL. That's the first question I'll ask myself, for me to know the denominator. So if I want to know the numerator, what will be up? I'll ask myself the second question. That if break even, is it to break even or to make profits? Either it is naira or units. It's either I want to break even or I want to make profits. So anytime I want to break even, the numerator here will be tasty fried chicken, TFC. Anytime you want to break even, up must always be TFC, total fees cost. Either it is units to break even or naira to break even. Anytime I want to break even, it's always TFC. Anytime I want to break even. But when I want to make profits, we said it in the graph. that for you to make profit, you must operate above break even. So if I want to make profit, I have to add something to TFC so that I can operate above break even. I have to add something to TFC. So if I want to make profit, it will be TFC plus the profit I want to make. So if I want to make profit, TFC plus the profit I want to make. So it's as simple as that. So with your knowledge of change of subject, any question you are asked, these four formulae should take care of it. In an average textbook, we see up to 9, 10, some particular to 13. It's not wrong, it's just to break it down so that you understand. But there are students always complain when they see too many formulae. So what I did was just to fashion out this one. With this four, you can solve any question except you are not interested. So the fifth one is talking about just this. Anytime you want to use profit in break-even, you don't use profit after tax to analyze break-even situation. The only profit you can use to analyze break-even situation is profit before tax. So anytime the examiner gives you profit after tax, the first thing you will do is to change it back to profit before tax before you can use it in this formula. Because a criminal offense punishable by law for you to use profit after tax here. The only profit you can use is profit before tax. So if I'm not giving profit before tax, how do I get profit before tax? My profit before tax is always given as profit after tax given to me in the question divided by 1, which is constant, minus tax rate, which the examiner will give to me. So when you do this, you get profit before tax, and you will use profit before tax here. So that's all about it. Thank you, everybody.
Tasty fried chicken.